like it when we're all in love, when everyone's in love. And I would like for all us listeners of the Sounds of Salford to show a bit of love to a fellow listener. Yes, Sandra Robinson, she listens to the show. She's got a book in the final 5 awards. We threw the link on our Sounds of Salford Facebook page. So if you could vote for Sandra, that'd be absolutely amazing. She deserves to win. She's a great author and she listens to the Sounds of Salford. So just for that reason alone, we're going to vote for her, aren't we? Go on, Sandra, get in there and get voting for Sandra. That's all I'm going to say. Right, what else has happened on the streets of Salford today? Let me see. There's sure to be something. That mayor's sure to have done something to get Williams' back up. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm having a quick look now at the Salford Star, and I can see that Salford council tax looks set to rise from 2% in April, following the government's announcement that local authorities can ring for such an increase to be used for further funding adult social care. A Salford Council finance report states the city mayor is minded to take up this option. Well, why doesn't that surprise me, Mr. Stewart? Meanwhile, another council report shows that during the year 2014 to 15, 20,000 houses in the city were hit with council tax liability orders. Now, I know one who was. It was me. What happened was my direct debit never went through 1 month, and then the next thing you know, they're threatening me with court action. These are the blokes, right, that are lending 25 million to the stadium. Also, try to cut transport to the vulnerable, right, giving gardens 9 million. Right, I missed one payment, boom, court letter. What's all that about? Have a look at your policy, Salford Council. Do you know what I mean? It's just what I'm thinking. Right, discussions are ongoing. How it's to be funded, right? This is what they're saying. But they reckon if they put 2% on, it's going to generate 1.64 million. But, do you know what I mean? Have a good think about this, Mr. Stewart. These people struggling, these people on low wages that are struggling to pay the council tax, and you're bumping it up again. Do you know what I mean? And even then, you put the bins down to collection 3 times a week. Not very nice, are you, at times? Right, on that note, I'm going to go to a song. Yes, one of my mates, Steve Hart, he said to me, Williams, do me a favour. I went, what's that, mate? He went, put the Pretenders on Brass in Pocket. So, this one's for you, mate. It's the Pretenders, Brass in Pocket.
Got brass in pocket, gunpowder, I'm gonna use it. Intention of feeling mental, gonna make you notice. Got motion, restrained emotion. I've been diving, detour leaning, no reason, just seems so pleasing. Gonna make you notice. Gonna use my arms, gonna use my legs, gonna use my style, gonna use my side step, gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination. 'Cause I gonna make you see there's nobody else here, no one like me. I'm special, so special. I gotta have some of your attention. Give it to me. I got rhythm, I can't miss a beat. I got new skank, so reach. I got something I'm winking at you. Gonna make you notice. Gonna use my arms, gonna use my legs, gonna use my style, gonna use my side step, gonna use my fingers, gonna use my imagination. 'Cause I gonna make you see there's nobody see what they can do. They said, son, look like that love got a hold on you, but it's too tight to mention. I can't give an unemployment extension, but it's too tight to mention. I went to my brother to see what he could do. He said, brother, I'd like to help you, but I'm unable to. So I called on my father, Father, Almighty Father. Said, but it's too tight to mention. Oh, money, 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 money. But it's too tight to mention. I can't even qualify for my pension. We're talking about Reaganomics. Oh, Lord, down in the Congress. They're passing all kinds of bills from down on Capitol Hill. We tried it, and money's too tight to mention. Cut back. Money's too tight to mention. Oh, money, 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 money. We're talking about 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 money, 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 money. We're talking about the dollar bill and that old man that's over the hill. Now what are we all to do when money's got a hold on you? Money's too tight to mention. Oh, money, money, money's too tight to mention. Dinero, money. Oh, I'm talking about money, money. 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 Yeah, I'm talking money. I'm talking about running, running. I'm talking about running, running. I'm talking about running, running. Did the earth move for you, Nancy? 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 Yeah, I'm talking Nancy. 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 Yeah, I'm talking about her.
That was Money's Too Tight to Mention going out there to Ian Stewart and his 13 little cronies. Have a good think about the people of Salford before you keep making these stupid decisions. That's all I'm saying here on the Sounds of Salford. Right, I've been asked by our friends at All FM to mention a Northern Soul Night they're having this Friday. Yes, Leslie Rourke and Suds Hussain are hosting it. It's on Friday, 7:30 till 12. It's at Longside Sports and Social Club on Kirkensmore Lane, which I think is your Bellevue, down that area. And, it'll be a great night. So if you can get down there, because I love a bit of Northern Soul, don't we? Especially on this station. Keep the faith, that's what we say. And it's great that you're putting nights like that on, because we at the Sounds of Salford love Northern Soul. Right, on that note, I'm going to go to a bit of REM night swimming. I've been asked to play this to a friend in Cornwall. Yes, she emailed me today. She said, Williams, put a bit of night swimming on REM. Why not indeed?
Night swimming deserves a quiet night. The photograph on the dashboard, taken years ago, turned around back so the windshield shows every street light reveals a picture in reverse. Still it's so much clearer. I forgot my shirt at the water's edge. The moon is low tonight. Night swimming deserves a quiet night. I'm not sure all these people understand. It's not like years ago, fear of getting caught, the recklessness of water. They cannot see me naked. These things, they go away, replaced by everyday night swimming, remembering that night. September's coming soon, pining for the moon. And what if there were two side by side in orbit around the fairest sun? The bright tide ever drum cannot describe night swimming. You, I thought I knew you. You, I cannot judge. You, I thought you knew me. This one laughing quietly underneath my breath. Night swimming.